You can't laugh. If you laugh, I laugh. Hi, I'm Megan Burnett. Have you ever ordered something you know you don't need, but you order it anyway? That's what I did here. I am excited to talk to you about this because many times the things that I've opened come from a 3PL or someone that ships, 10,000 orders a month. This I could tell was from someone who created the product and then is shipping from home. Really cute branded boxing, branded tape, actually. It's a nice way, a little bit more affordable way to also get some branding on the box without having to run tens of thousands of boxes and keep those in your garage or your house. One thing you should always do is manage the expectations of the end customer. So I'm the end customer in this situation. This took a few days to get packed, which is fine, especially if someone's doing it as like a side hustle. You should put that on checkout that you won't get a tracking number for 3 to 5 business days per se. I haven't seen this in a while. Branded tissue paper. Very nice presentation here. Everyone's so worried about what this is. Some inspirational quotes on air. You get in life what you have the courage to ask for, which is very true. Risk being seen in all your glory. I don't understand that one. This is a gua sha. This is a gua sha. This is a full body. This is a full body gua sha lymphatic drainage system. This is, can't laugh. If you laugh, I laugh. The full body gua sha system on your arms, your legs. I'm very excited about this. Packaged very nicely because it could have gotten beat up. So the main point of this video, you should have your SLA and set the expectation for when your customer is going to get the product, or not just get the product, but get the tracking number. So I would have liked to know at checkout that I wouldn't get a tracking number for 3 to 5 business days. And then I'd be fine with it. I'd know in my head like, oh, the order didn't get lost or it's stuck. A little bit of extra text in the body when you're at the actual checkout, and then also in the body of the email when it gets confirmed. Fulfillment is always about managing expectations.
Say it like a normal person.
Fulfillment.